Hi guys. Yeah, look at that. Don't look at it. I'm going to Walmart and I've just gotta get some restock of stuff. I need mascara, I need deodorant, I need body wash, and you know, obviously I'm gonna look around as well. I want to try to find some like casual pieces to wear. I might even look at some graphic tees as well while I'm there. I am like, if you don't know London and Olivia from TikTok, this may not make any sense, but London and Olivia too, but I would say my style is more London than Olivia, but London is just such an inspiration to me with her style, and I definitely feel like I want to look at some more graphic tees because of her style. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that. I'm also maybe gonna take my car through the car wash. It really desperately needs it. So, but that would be it. I don't even know if I would include the car wash in today's video, but I thought I'd take you guys shopping with me to Walmart and then probably do like a car haul maybe. And yeah, so let's go. But first I have to get gas. Just got to Walmart. I did get the car clean, which you guys saw. That actually took a lot longer. Oh, y'all, it's not much of a story about this lady who pulled up in the car wash. I'll tell you afterwards. But anyways, here I am at Walmart. I feel like it's just going to be so packed in there. I don't know that I'm going to get really any clips, but I'm for sure going to do a haul in the car with you guys. So, just trying to remind myself, I need mascara, body wash, deodorant, some graphic tees, if they have any. I might look at some socks as well, because Dollar Tree is just not putting these out. So, I'm gonna have to resort to Walmart. But anyways, I'm gonna go in there and get that done. My gosh, these are so cute. These little egg crates, are you kidding me? No, they didn't. Oh my, yeah, it's already a good day. The little mushroom, please, I'm getting it. Little baby chicks and the bunnies. I'm gonna pass on those. I feel like I might regret it, especially this little bunny. But I just got a baby chick, but I cannot pass up on these mushrooms. Olivia uses Dove. I know, like the London and Olivia show for me in my life right now. But she uses a Dove. She uses the Daily Moisture shampoo and conditioner for her hair, and her hair is gorgeous. So you know what? I'm gonna try this. Alright, so I'm back at home. It was just too crazy, even in the Walmart parking lot, to like sit there and do a haul. So I'm back home now. So I thought I'd tell you guys it's such a stupid story, but I'll just tell you. So basically, I think I ended up getting screwed at the car wash because I was there for like 45 minutes and I watched like 15 cars come in, get done, and leave all before mine. But basically, and I think the same thing was happening to the guy that was like sitting next to me, and I pulled up behind him, and so there were like lanes. And then there was a car in front of him. So in the lane I was in, there were 3 total cars. And they kept having to like back cars out because the cars that were in the very front that was blocking like the leaving, those cars weren't done. So a lot of cars that were coming in were getting done quicker than those cars. So I just watched so many cars get backed out and leave. Well, I guess the guy next to me got tired of waiting for his car. So he gets up, he goes over to his truck, which is again is in front of mine. And I think is having this conversation, and in the end, he gets in his car, but they have to back my car out. So they're backing my car out, and then he's backing himself out. And while this is happening, so 2 very large trucks, this lady pulls in like so fast, because you pull yourself into these lanes once you get your car cleaned, like if you're doing a full service. And she just pulls in and like goes in and tries to take a spot that was now supposed to be mine. And they stop her, and she's like throwing up all these hands, and she's like pointing to the lane that she wants to go into, which was mine. And she's just like, and I could tell she was really mad, and like her hand signals were suggesting she was so like confused about it. She's like, why can't I go in this lane? And I'm over here like, I've already been here for 30 minutes. And this lady just shows up, and she's just like, why can't I go right there? And so she sits there and she watches my car get pulled back in, and she's just like pointing like, why did that car? And I'm like, I've been here at that point I'd been there for 30 minutes. And then they pull her car in, and she gets done, of course, before me somehow. But anyways, it was one of those things where I feel like just the placement of my car I got screwed. That's the end of the story. So anyways, there's that. I got some bananas. This is like random, but I just got some food things, and I got some deli meat because I'm gonna make a sandwich after this, because that whole lane reverse, all that was a whole debacle. So now I need a sandwich over it. Okay, here's what I got. I did get some clothing items. I picked up a plain black sweatshirt. Nobody is in the least surprised by this. However, I have really needed like an oversized black sweatshirt. I feel like I always get larges and I forget that I really want an extra large. Does anyone do that when you buy something but you are always buying the wrong size, but like you know better? I don't even know if that makes sense, but I finally remembered that I need an extra large just for how I want it to like fit on my body, because sometimes I want my sweatshirts to be long so that it just like covers the butt, you know? So this is the men's, and it's just a black crew neck. And I think this was, I don't even know how much this was, but I imagine it was not very expensive. Then in the women's section, I saw this beautiful sweatshirt. And this is like one of those things where I really am trying to also implement into my closet now, is all of my classic basics. And there are so many times where I'll watch somebody do their outfit details and they'll be like, oh, I got this at Walmart, or I got this at Target, and it's such a good staple. And I'm like, how'd you find that? I feel like this is one of those pieces. I finally found a really good classic piece, and I love this color. I wish you guys could feel this, because this is probably the softest thing I've ever felt from Walmart. It doesn't look very soft, but it really is. I like the high-low feature, and I feel like this will be such a lovely piece for me to honestly wear year round. Even though I live in Texas and it gets really hot in the summer, I'm always still in like sweaters because I'm usually inside and inside is cold. But this will be a great transition to spring with leggings and then even into shorts. It also has that beachy coastal vibe to it. So I just feel really lucky that I found this. And I did get an extra large. So I'm very excited about that. Then I found these shorts and I just thought they were so cute. So I just liked the neutral color of it. I liked the pockets. I liked the drawstring. This was $11.98. I got a large. I feel like these run small. So I went with a large, has some cute pockets in the back. This is also another one of those pieces where I feel like I always see people score really great clothing items from Walmart or Target, and to me, this is one of them. So, and I think they also had these in other colors. That's pretty much it for the clothing. I did look at graphic tees, but I didn't find anything that pulled me. I did end up getting the socks. So it's funny because these are actually the socks that London talks about when she shows her outfit. She gets her socks from Walmart and they are the ankle, like crew sock. So I just had to bite the bullet and get these, you guys. My Dollar Tree ones. I don't know how some of them have like holes in them. Like a rat has been chewing on it, maybe. But I just needed to get a new pack, so I got these. I also actually need no-shows. I totally forgot that I needed those. Okay, then have you ever, had they have had this in other colors, I promise you I would have got them as well. $5 for this adorable little mug. I mean, TJ Maxx and HomeGoods are actually can be cheaper, but it's still very adorable. So love that. And then I got the shampoo just based off of Olivia and her talking about this is the shampoo she uses. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I've been on pretty much the same shampoo for a really long time, and I'm thinking it's time for me to start going back into the shampoo market and trying a bunch of different other ones. So I have some that I got from Pop Shelf, if you guys remember. I've been trying that. I got some that I got from Target. I've been trying that. So now I'm gonna try this one. Because otherwise I've been on the Hask shampoo for such a long time. Okay, then I got my ever trusty Native coconut and vanilla. This is just my signature scent of theirs. I also got it in the body wash. So there's that. I also want to try new deodorants and body washes as well, but I want to do some more research before I try somebody else. Like I already know about Native, I already love them, but I do want to like try others as well, but I didn't know enough to give anyone else a try right now. So I'm just gonna like look it up later and then whatever. Then I got this. This is something that's missing in my travel stuff, is just the Listerine. Pretty sure I can take this on the plane. Yeah, air travel approved size. So that's good. And then I got the wrong bronzer for myself. I got it for Christmas in my stocking, but it was just too light. Like it just literally does nothing for my skin. So I had to get a darker one, and I went with Sunset Bronzer. Pretty sure this is probably the one I have now that I'm like, I've hit pan. So there's like a giant, so the product is only around the rim, and when I'm putting my brush on it, it leaves, it's a whole thing. But so I needed to change my bronzer. Then I had to get a refill on my mascara. This is the mascara I've been on for such a long time. I don't know, maybe I should be in the market for a new mascara as well, but once I find something I like, I don't really steer from it. I'm like, what's the need? But there's that. And the very last thing, I got this book. This is really interesting because there's all of these books that's maybe part of the series. The covers are really interesting with the strawberries, brutal prints. And after reading the back, I was just like, okay, yeah, I feel like I haven't been reading a lot lately, you know, since moving and traveling. And honestly, like, I need a book to take with me to travel. So I'm gonna give this a read. Have no idea if it's good, but I liked it based off of the strawberries alone. And they had the other ones. Walmart had the other ones as well. But so that's it. That is my Walmart haul. I also got bins, which I think you guys saw in the clip where I'm leaving Walmart. I got some black tote bins just to store away more of my Christmas stuff. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and had a little weird story time about cars and a lady being mad about how she just showed up, but that's neither here nor there. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.